Voice controlled, I've never even thought about adding that to my lamp ritual every day, because I love some lamps. I got lamps everywhere: bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, living room. Do I need to make them voice activated? Will this feel the same as like walking around and like turning them on and off? Like, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like the ritual of that, but I guess voice activated brings me into the century and makes it easy. Or timers. Someone else said timers. Never even thought about that. So, like, what do you do? Just buy the little light bulbs and Alexa or Google, and then you have to set it all up, and then you have to set all your lights up. I think that's where it loses me, is then I have to make all these decisions at what time the lamps go on and what time they go off. This is my brain. I'm going to give some thought to this. For real, I am.